Hi, this is Tanuja P from Sri Sairam College of Engineering, studying Electrical and Electronics Engineering, is going to present the seminar topic on solar tree for street light. Under the guidance of Professor Malini KV, Head of the Department, Professor Gopinath K, Assistant Professor of EEE Department. Why did I choose the solar tree? Because the renewable energy is the main which is going on this period on this time, and solar tree offers more than just an energy output from the planet. Solar tree is a just best alternative way to replace our fossil fuels. These are the contents I'm further going to explain. Introduction. What is solar tree? Before that, India is the most populated country, as we all know. We can take the advantages of our country, such in that in energy requirement, very less space. It requires the solar tree requires very less space to produce the energy efficiency. It can also be applied in street LED street lights, industrial power supply. It must be better than the traditional solar PV systems in the area, and it is more efficient. What is the objective of the solar tree? It is the renewable form of the energy. It can also measure competitive with the fossil fuels. Hydropower is the force energy of the moving water. Solar energy is available in the abundance and considered to be an earliest and the cleanest means the tapping of the renewable energy. The sun is the hydronic spherical body of the extremely hot organized generation of the energy of processing thermal nuclear fusion. To avoid all this problem, we can install our solar tree, which can require very less space in spite of the number of the solar panels. What is the principle of the solar tree is? It is a decorative means of the producing solar energy and also a solar electricity. It uses multiple of solar panels which helps in the form of a tree. The panels will be arranged in the form of horizontal. It will be arranged in the passion of a tree. Tree stands for tree generating renewable energy and electricity. What is solar tree? Solar tree is a combination of artistic and the technological effort which exists in the form of solar network. This is also relative new concept that conserved in the attempt merge and many new technologies relating in the absorption and use of a solar panel. Why we call it as a solar tree? First of all, it is in the form of a tree. Instead of leaves, we arrange the solar panel in such a way that every panel get the solar light equally. Solar tree in which the streams connected act as a branches of a tree, and solar panels are like leaves. So it is very appropriate to call it as a solar tree. This is the block diagram of the solar tree. The sunlight falls on the solar panel, and the charge controller controls all the mechanism, and it directly pass on to it a battery, and the pass on to the battery light gets an LED street light. And also using the solar tree we can also get the car parking. Block diagram and its parts. The main parts of the solar tree is solar panel, long tower, LEDs, batteries, steams, and four more connections. The structure of the solar tree is composed by curved stream light of either diameter and height. Maximum total height is 5.5 meter above the ground level. The panel are painted with the outside epoxy paint and the color shading into white. They are the head housing the photovoltaic cells in the upper part, and there are almost 20 power LEDs housed to the power of the four of them. The aluminum dissipator and above with the screen is plastic material which ensures protecting against the water and the dust. Working. Batteries are charged during the daytime. LEDs are automatically switched on. These are used in indicating how much charge and energy remains left. Batteries are also used to store the energy so that they can use in the night times and the cloud days with no sunlight. How does solar tree works? Solar panel collects all the solar energy from the sunlight and converts into electrical energy. Converted energy is used for the various devices which can be charged. A photovoltaic power generation converts directly electrical energy from the sunlight. Why it is better than the traditional system? In the traditional system, the at a time only the one solar panel gets charged. Even if the solar panel is to be placed, it needs some distance, or it occupies more space. In the passion of the tree, we can place a many solar panel at a time, in such a way that one above, it is not placed one below the other, so that it occupies other spaces and gets shadow for that. It requires only less space when compared to others. Solar tree uses spiraling technology, because only the way it is designed in the it helps the other lower panels from the shadow to the upper ones, so that it can track maximum power from the sun. It is a unique technology which is flexible panels connected to the stem, which can be rotated as our devices, as that flexible avoidance of the wind pressure can be also possible. Flexibility offers manual rotating as the maximum power can be obtained. Applications of the solar tree is it can be used as a street light, house supplies, and industrial power supply. And even more advantages is like applications or advantages is car parking and mobile charging. Solar tree are used in garden for decorative purpose. Even it looks very beautiful in the night times and the daytimes. It is in the passion of the trees, as we see. Solar tree are used in the society complex. Advantages is no air pollution. We could not have worries as much about the future energy sources. People can save money. Land requires is very less. People in poor city could have access to electricity. Disadvantages is when compared to other, the cost is little high, may cause hazardous to birds and insects, hazardous to eyesight from the solar reflectors. Solar tree in industrial or real-time world installation. Solar tree in India and in Andhra Pradesh, it is being development country, and the highly populated require a solar power where maximum energy can be generated by using the minimum. Solar tree will be the best option to avoid problems. We must do produce energy from the sun by using the solar tree in our country to increase our per capita and fulfill the growing energy. The first solar tree was implemented in CMRIT College at Andhra Pradesh, then at the Mumbai, and many on so on. Conclusion is to fulfill the increasing of the demand of the people and saving the land of this project, it is very successful one. This can provide the electricity without any power cut problem, and extra energy can be avoided to the provided to the grid. These are the references I have undergone for the solar tree project.